So today I patched up this little wall for the burrow, and then the kids came and painted it. I'm going to show you how I did it. I'm going to show you what the rest of the wall looks like. And when you have to patch a wall like this, there's some cheap things you could do. You see, they patched this back in the 90s. A lot of this stuff is breaking away and falling away. Why is that? That's because it's winter time out. See all the snow? The water comes behind the wall, it gathers, it freezes, and it breaks the wall away. We walk down here, you see another example. Not only did it break it away, but it's pushing the wall. What they did is they came and they put another coat to hide that. And when you look on this side of the wall, you can see where the effervescence is coming through. You see it? That's why I'm a big fan of painting everything white. Now over here we have a patch, and you can see the patch also fell off and it's deteriorating. Why is that? Because in Pennsylvania the concrete absorbs water and then it falls apart. Now something like this, I just chip it down to where it's good, plaster it over, cheap fix. I like to do a cheap fix once in a while. I'm going to show you how I did it. This belongs to the borough, and the kids are going to come and paint it over the weekend. I guess it's like get the kids kind of working kind of thing. So they asked me if I would patch this up so when they come to paint this wall it'll look good. So I'm not charging them nothing. So I'm just going to patch it up and show you how I did it. Something like this, I'm just getting a steel brush out, number one, and get all this stuff out of here. Because we're only going to paint it, and I'm not going to make a big deal out of it. Over here, same thing. Get everything cleaned out. That's all I'm going to do. Get everything cleaned out best I can so they can paint it. Yep. So this part, I can't leave it like that. See what's going on is they got cracks in the wall. They tried to plaster over it. Anything to make it look better. That's the way I figure. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix up some mortar mix rapid set. I'm going to put it in here. I don't want to make too much. I'm going to cheat a little bit, and to slow it down, I'm going to add a little bit of sand, regular mason sand, which you'd very seldom see me do, and a little bit of Portland. That's going to slow that down a little bit. I've done this before years and years ago. I never had a problem. That's my way of slowing it down. And then I'm going to mix it up. Now, sometimes you could use just regular rapid set, but you only mix what you're going to use in a few minutes. That's it. It's going to set pretty fast. There it is. Got it where I want it. Now the first thing I'm going to do is make sure it's wet. I already pre-wet it. I'm kind of wetting it again, because that is what makes patches stick. Then I get my rapid set right in there like that. See that? Cover that up. Same thing here. Just like that. Now we're just gonna get ourselves the sponge and water. Just sponge it. That's all. I'm not gonna make a big deal out of it. See that? Let's see, it kind of matches. See, this is, they splashed this. So we're just gonna do this. See that? Make it look rough. Fake them out. How does that look? Looks normal. Sponge it off. Give them the fake look. That's it. Go down here. Sponge it off. Like that. You can even see the sun shining there. Look at that. Perfect. Over here. Bake it in there. So here's the point. You don't need a lot of time and a lot of money to fix a wall. You just patch it up. They do this in Europe for hundreds and hundreds of years. You don't need special products or special this. $20 worth of cement, $20 worth of paint, it goes a long way. And when you use white, it hides all the effervescence and a lot of sins, and you keep going over it. So I hope these videos help. You don't have to spend a lot of money on repairs for walls. Just keep going over it. Thanks for watching. I'm Mike Haduck. Until next video.